How are you doing today? And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be giving you my top 5 simple tips on how to clean out your little one's closet. Now you can also use these tips for yourself, but for me personally, that would take a whole other series of videos. So I'm gonna start with my little one's closet. Now I have a little girl, her name is Ava, and she is 4 years old, and she is growing like a weed. She is so tall for her age. So I now have quite a collection of clothes in this closet that don't even fit her, and the clothes that do fit her are piling up on the ground. So I'm going to take you through my process and show you exactly step by step what I do to make this process as painless as possible and smooth so that we are clean and organized. I know exactly what outfits to put together to dress my little one. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I would love it if you would click that like, share, and subscribe button. I would just be over the moon if you would consider subscribing. So make sure you click that big red subscribe button, and also remember, hit that notification bell. Tip number 1 is to clean everything out from the closet, from the drawers. Gather up all of your little one's clothing from the laundry to storage and make a big pile. We want to start bare bones. We want to give ourselves a little sense of clarity so that we know where we need to start. Now this is a big undertaking, and you know that when you're doing a big job like this, it actually looks worse before it gets better. But trust me, this is a really important part of the process, because from here, now you can start separating everything and you know what you have. Tip number 2 can be a little bit of a challenge, especially if you have a little one, but try to get your little one to try some items on, especially items that you just aren't sure of, because maybe you're holding on to something that your little one just, number 1, feels uncomfortable in, it doesn't fit anymore, or maybe you just don't even like it. So quit holding on to that stuff that doesn't work anymore, that's taking up space in the closet. I know it's hard chasing around a 4-year-old asking them to try on another pair of shorts. Even if you can hold it up to them, trust me, this is worth it. And also, like I said, if you want to do this for yourself, try on that dress that you haven't worn since grade 7. Tip number 3 is don't hold on to sentimental items. Now, I personally need to take my own advice because I'm a big old softie. I found this really hard, especially when Ava was growing out of like the newborn stage, or even when she was turning 1, her first little booties and all those little tiny onesies. You know, when 30 years down the road, you're looking through this big box of baby stuff, how many little onesies do you need? How many first Easter dresses do you need? How many Christmas pajamas do you need to hold on to? So this is really tough, but be a little bit ruthless with yourselves. Hold yourselves accountable and quit holding on to clutter that really you're not gonna want and your little one's not gonna want. All right, so in terms of sentimental value, this is Ava's little Minnie Mouse Halloween costume. She doesn't fit it anymore, but we have such good memories with this dress. This beautiful Ralph Lauren dress I got for Ava for Christmas, and I was in New York for a special event for work. So in terms of sentimental value, I'm definitely gonna be holding on to this Minnie Mouse dress. But this beautiful little dress, I don't know. I think I might put it in consignment. It's as beautiful as it is. I think I have more memories with Minnie Mouse than this dress. It's a tough decision, but I think that this one will win out. Tip number 4 is the tough one. This is when all the hard work comes into play. Sort everything into piles, and I'm talking about 4 different piles. Pile number 1 is the love it pile. It's clothes that fit your little one currently. They're in season. Your little one loves, you love. You can make total, fantastic, cute, adorable outfits. You're gonna pop that back in your closet. Pile number 2 is the maybe pile. So these are the items that your little one is maybe gonna be growing into. They don't quite fit your little one yet, but hold on to those, because you know by the end of the summer, those shorts will be fitting just right. Pile number 3 are the outgrown pile. So these are all of the items that your little one just no longer fits as much as you want them to fit those shorts that you bought them last year. They just don't fit anymore. But they're still in really good condition. So you're gonna take that pile and take it to consignment or donate. I personally like to take a lot of Ava's old clothes to consignment that are still in really good condition, because then I will take that money and then put it towards Ava, either purchasing new items or any bits and pieces that we need around the house for her. And pile number 4 are seasonal items. So these are stuff like sweaters that you know will still fit your little one come fall, or boots that you still know your little one may fit, or hats and mittens. Clean out all of that stuff. Get rid of the stuff that really has lived its life, and hold on to the items that really you know that you will be able to use again come fall and winter. So there you go. You got those 4 piles. You are organized and good to go. All right, so I've made some great progress and I'm really happy. Again, I have a big pile for consignment, so I'm happy about that. I'm organized. I now know what's gonna go back in her closet, so let me show you those 4 piles. This is my Love It pile and everything that's gonna go back into her closet. It's not organized in categories yet. This is my Maybe pile. So these are all shirts and things that are gonna either fit Ava for the next month or so, or she is yet to grow into them. This is my seasonal pile. So lots of still like heavy sweaters and sweatsuits, because where we live, it's still cold out. If we're going camping, this will be great. So I'll put that probably at the back of her closet. And then this big pile, this is all my stuff for consignment. Tip number 5. Now you're going to assess what is going to be going back into that closet. So take your Love It pile, take your Maybe pile, and then color coordinate it, style it, organize it however you see fit. I usually like to put everything back in Ava's closet and in her drawers according to categories. So all of her t-shirts are together, all of her dresses, all of her shorts, all of her jeans. You get the picture. I don't necessarily go as far as color coordinating everything, but I really find that in the mornings, especially when I need to get dressed, I have to hop on Zoom meetings, I'm running around the house, then it's really easy for me to open up her closet. I know what she has and I can make outfits out of everything that's in there because I know it all fits. Okay, now this is a bonus tip for you. My bonus tip is tip number 6, shop intentionally. Now that you know exactly what your little one has, start making a list of everything that your little one needs. So for instance, Ava needs some new running shoes. So I need to start looking around for running shoes. Ava needs some, like just some terry cloth shorts that she can just run around and play outside in. And then we also need like a lightweight jacket. So now I know exactly what she needs and I'm not overbuying. I don't need 6 different polka dot pink t-shirts. I don't need another jumper or another romper because I know that she already has everything. And that makes my life better. And then I'm also saving money because really, let's be honest, how many outfits can you really rotate with your little one? So everything in here is all organized. This compartment here is everything that is really like heavy sweaters that still fit Ava, because listen, we live in Canada and it still gets cold. This is her swim cover up and little sweatshirts and t-shirts, long sleeve shirts that she's gonna wear. These are all of Ava's overalls and jeans. These are her little rompers and little short sets that she can wear throughout the summer. This next section is little suits that come, so sweatshirt and pants. Next up is Ava's summer dresses, getting ready for Stampede, yeehaw! So all of these nice little summer dresses, sunny day dresses, which should be great. And then, oh, that was from Ava's birthday. This next section is all of Ava's rompers and jumpsuits, which will be fantastic. Ava's house coats, and then just some sweatshirts. So everything is all organized. I feel so much better because now in the mornings, I know exactly where everything is, I know what she has, and now I know what she needs. All right guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my top 5 simple tips on how to clean out your little one's closet. And I really truly hope that these tips help you, because I know that it makes my life simpler. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and it's one less thing I have to think about. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.